TST Software, a solutions company. Look us up on the internet at www.tst-software.com. TST proudly presents NCG CAM. NCG CAM is an easy-to-use, reliable, and affordable standalone CAM software. Powerful advanced 3D machining, 3+2, 4-axis, plus full 5-axis motion toolpaths. Ideal for shop floor programming. NCG CAM is compatible with and supports all the favorite flavors of computer-aided design 3D data files, triangle files, surface files, solid models, and more. NCG CAM features file associativity to update change revisions and regenerate toolpaths with supported software. Customizable libraries and database folders to build your tool holder and cutting tool libraries, and holder tool combos. Material libraries with specific machinability data and custom special hole shape database. NCG CAM has a very unique 4-view graphical window feature. Each window is independent of the other, and display rules set in one window do not apply to the other windows. Operator can have 4 separate analytical tools in each of the windows with ability to resize windows to your visual parameters. Curvature and smaller corner radii analysis with slider bars, allowing you to view set radii, and also the ability to hover over a surface on the part with your cursor to see actual radii. Also, min and max draft angle analysis with the same ability to hover over part to see draft angles. Both features can be running simultaneously in separate windows as shown. Use of a tool guide to check optimum cutting tool size per application as shown here. 2 cutting tool sizes can rough and finish this pocket. Set up boundaries and tooling planes for multiple setups or multi-axis programming. Visual tooling aids in their respective windows also. The operator will quickly find this functionality to be a very useful ally in the analysis and preparation for toolpath programming. Hands down, this feature is worth the price of admission alone, saving your company time and money. Coming up on deck is an awesome tool to showcase. This is an example of detect hole features. Highlight your part, choose hole detect, make your settings choices, and the software finds and catalogs all hole types quickly, along with any respective axes tip angles. Easily view holes detected by wireframe view, translucent shade, or the clipping plane feature. Hole features are placed into manageable folders as shown. Once you detect the hole features, you can then proceed to process the groups into drilling or machining strategies. Examples shown here are drilling hole strategies in multiple axes tip angles. Notice that the software will warn you of a gouge or collision problem, and if you keep the holes, it adjusts the depth. Always check everything for accuracy. In this example, the drill was too short for the drill depth, so the software adjusted to the safe holder clearance. Now we will show you some examples of NCG's surface tools for machining. After hole detect, 3 clicks and all open circular holes are covered with a surface. Surfaces will protect hole features in your project from any unwanted cutting tools just dropping in to say hello. As shown, there is one slot that has a trimmed and filled face feature. This is an example of surface patch by curves. Created from edge curves, this function will form a protective surface over irregular pockets. Here is an example of an NCG CAM ruled surface feature. Edge curves form the ruled surfaces for extra runoff of pockets and protecting edges of critical part shape. This tool has been roughed in, and these passes are rest roughing the previous cut. With collision detection and gouge checking, the tool path is automatically trimmed and holder will not gouge your part, as shown here. This next clip shows 2 high-speed machining roughing strategies. On the left is adaptive roughing with large step downs and smaller step overs. This is shown using the cutter simulation. On the right is core roughing with larger step overs and smaller step downs. This is shown using the machine simulation. This picture shows the result of a rest roughing strategy on the previous core roughing block. This next example is a 3+2 program toolpath. It is machining a slot pocket on a 60-degree tip. The toolpaths are fully gouge checked and collision detected. As shown in this video clip with the machine kinematics simulation, the cutting tool holder combo safely moves away from all obstacles. Shown next is an engraving project on a mold core programmed with a long curved toolpath. Starting with a from text boundary being created, typing in your text string, and then projecting onto a selected surface, and a long curved toolpath is created, as you can see in this example, to engrave lettering. Multiple fonts and axial step downs can be utilized. I'm now going to show the Edit Toolpaths feature. In this example, a boundary wasn't perfect for the area needing to be machined. Editing a toolpath is quite simple in NCG CAM. Highlight your toolpath, window over an unwanted area, hold Control to select more if desired. Hit the Delete key. That's it, done, a simple solution. Next in the lineup, take a look at this 3 to 5 axis conversion. This video shows a conversion of a 3D waterline cut. Many useful options to set. A few choices are, but not limited to, force the original 3D waterline until collision avoidance tips the axes at bare minimum. Force 3D waterline until set axis tips the path to 5 axis. Here I chose 30 degrees max for a shorter cutting tool length. This is the cutting simulation that you're watching, or even a full 5-axis tip angle toolpath. We're going to end with this 3-axis machine simulation that will show more toolpath features of NCG CAM. In this time-lapse video showing an HSM or high-speed machining strategy, you will see an area clearance toolpath strategy programmed from a prismatic stock model, your actual block size with extra stock on top or sides, to clear stock from this cavity. A rest rough utilizing a previous stock model using a ball end mill. And finally, to finish part shape, a morph toolpath finishing strategy is selected and used. 4 edge boundaries split up curves in equidistant passes, forming a very attractive finishing toolpath. As you can see, morph toolpathing would be perfect for open flowing Class A surfaces. TST is located in Clarkston, Michigan and serves the tooling software technology needs of companies all over North America and Canada. Our team at TST would like to sincerely thank you for taking the time to view and to allow us to showcase NCG CAM software for you. Please peruse this page and our webpage to see more of our other great products and services we offer. Contact TST at 248-922-9293 or call toll-free 800-984-6190 when you would like to see NCG CAM further and with a live or web demo. And don't forget to look us up at tst-software.com, and you can find us on all of the popular social media platforms. Once again, thank you for watching.